Hey, if you're still looking for something to sell every day, today I've got 5 of TikTok's December winners for you. Number 1. Everything Cosmetic Bag. This cosmetic bag is small in size and easy to carry, and it can be used for multiple purposes. The product has good texture, high quality, and low price, and has a good market space. The product sells for $27, costs $9, and has a profit margin of $16. Now is the time when everyone likes to travel, and it is also a good time to market and promote such products. If you're still looking for a product to sell, try this one. It might make you $50,000 by 2023. Number 2. Migraine Relief Gel Head Wrap. This new product in the market can effectively relieve people's headaches, with low price and high quality, and has a large market space. Product works great and shipping was fast. The selling price of this product is $20. The cost price is $14, and the profit margin is $6. If you are still looking for products to sell, this type of new product in the market is well worth your try. Number 3. Bombshell Bra. This product has made great innovations in the market. The material is soft and elastic, and there is no sense of tightness after wearing it. The product is of high quality and low price, has a large market space, and the profit margin is also considerable. The product sells for $40, costs $9, and has a profit margin of $31. If you are still looking for products to sell, this kind of innovative products in the market will be a good choice. Number 4. Laser Flashlight. This product has high brightness and wide irradiation range. It can be used for 10 hours on a single charge and can be used repeatedly. It is made of special materials, and it can continue to be used even if it rains or falls into water. The product sells for $40, costs $15, and has a profit margin of $25. It also has a very high profit margin. If you are still looking for products to sell, this type of product is powerful and easy to market and promote. You can try it boldly. Number 5. Thermoscase Crystal Clear. This product has a variety of colors to choose from, and the supplier's delivery speed is also very fast. It is worth trying to sell products such as mobile phone cases that people change frequently. The price of this product is $30. The cost price is $3, and the profit margin is $27. It also has a considerable profit margin, so feel free to open a store and try it. If you want to know more about the product, follow me or go to Pipiads.com.